Welcome to a new video of Fluent AF Academy. Today we are diving into parts of the house in Spanish. Let's go! First one, pasillo, hallway. Then we have Sala de estar, living room. And under the living room we can find televisión, TV, sofa, and cojines, cushions. Now we have cocina, kitchen, where the magic and something distracts happen. You will find nevera, fridge, congelador, freezer, and horno, oven. Dormitorio or habitación, bedroom, the land of naps. In this sacred space we have cama, bed, escritorio, desk, or armario, wardrobe. Then an essential one, baño, bathroom. Over here we can find váter, toilet, bañera, bathtub, grifo, tap, and toalla, towel. Escaleras, stairs, for getting your daily cardio when the elevator is broken. Then we have comedor, dining room, and here we can find mesa, table, some chairs, sillas, garaje, garage, with herramientas, tools, coche, car, and the last one, jardín, garden, with an árbol, tree, and banco, the bench. And that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe and like for more, and have a lovely day. Bye!